Back to another day trading video, and today we're going to continue on to part 2 of how to spot these order blocks. Yesterday's video I taught you what an order block essentially is, like what it means, like how it looks on the board, but you don't know how it looks on the chart. So we're gonna spot them, try to see if you can spot them, but a quick analysis on what they were or what they mean. All right, order block is the break prior, is the block or is the leg up or down prior to the liquidity sweep and a break structure. So very easy to spot, and let's spot them right now. We're gonna spot like 3, 4, whatever, as many we can spot. So right now I already spotted one. So let's see, all we need is a liquidity sweep and a break structure. So if we just do this, just put this liquidity sweep right here. You can see like kind of liquidity sweep right here, whatever. So you can see this sweep goes all the way up and break of structure. Let's spot the break of structure. Take out this magnet. All right. So we have a downtrend, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then up. What happened? Break of structure. We're looking for that leg. We're looking for that leg down. We're looking for that leg down prior to the break of structure. So where is it? This leg right here. What can we see happened? Price went back up to this level, exited out, exited out and in, but eventually it did go up. So you can see right there, that is a break of structure. That is an order block, sorry. So the break of structure right here, and yeah, price went back into that level, and orders were filled. So very simple, very easy. Let's try to spot another. Let's see. Guess, can you really say this one? I mean, no, let's find a more easier one to spot. So this is gonna be a short video. Just spot them, see where they are. Very easy to spot. Just gotta look for that. Order blocks are not always gonna come in a break of structures. Price sometimes does go back to that level, or sometimes it doesn't. It's not 100%, but it's smart money concept. So most of the times it does work, and most of the times it happens. So kind of a downtrend, break of structure over here, right there, boom. What do you see? The prior to the break, prior to the sweep and the break of structure. It would actually be this block right here, this order block. So I was wrong on the first one. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's go back to it. So sorry, I believe it was right here. So it would not be that. It would not be this order block, but essentially this one. So the leg down prior to the sweep. Sweep went back down to this level, and you can see that it did go up, and it did go up in these right here, in this area right here, but you can see that it worked. Sorry guys, it's after the break of structure and then the sweep. All right, so let's find it. Just gotta look around. Weird thing. I mean, very simple right here. I think you can spot it. Yeah, this is a downtrend, so kind of see it right here, I guess. All right, F it right here. So what do we see? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Break of structure. Let's spot that break of structure. This is the low. Boom, candle was formed, breaking that low. Now we just gotta look for the leg up. And where is that leg up? From this after the break of structure and the sweep. So this is sweep right there. You can see it went back into this level right here. So you would enter for a short. There's my short position. Let's take it right here. These previous lows, these lows, whatever. It didn't fully hit these lows, but you could have take profit at being at the half. So one right here. So 1-to-1 take profit. It's really up to you. And yeah, you would have gained some money right there. Not gained some money, but you would have won a trade. Let's spot it. Very simple. Very similar to the first one. So up down up down up down up down, and then we up, breaking this lower high. That means we have a breaker structure. Then we have that sweep going all the way up. So we just look for the leg down. After the breaker structure is this block over here. What happens? Boom, it goes up. All right, enters it a bunch of times, testing it, but that's all right. And we just boom, it just goes up. Would have gained profit. There we go. Let's spot one more, just one more. Let's just try to spot one more before we end here. So we gotta essentially look for an uptrend. And I guess this is it. This counts. This counts as well too. The leg down, prior to the break structure. Boop. Like, there we go. So the leg up. So if I'm correct, yes, the leg up. The leg down for an uptrend. So what do we have? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, breaking this lower high. What do we see that? This is the low broken by this candle right here being formed right there. And what do we look for next? So we need that leg down after the break of structure. So it's actually right here to right here. The leg. I'm sorry, it's the leg up. I am tripping. So right here to here. And what do we see? Goes into it and exit out. And I mean, yeah, it did. It worked. It worked. But for a very long time, you would have had to wait. But you can see right there. So if you trade on a 5-minute, maybe it could have been better. Actually, yeah, would have been better. So right there, and then it goes all the way down to this low right here too, actually, and it causes a sweep. Look at that. You can see that right there. Boom, sweep. So, and then you probably could have taken another trade off of this if you saw any confirmations to take along. But yeah, that's how you spot order blocks. Very simple. It's being weird. I already used that one. I think I don't use this one. I don't know. Let's F it. Let's try it. So like down, like the went down, then up, down. Break a structure. See the high. This lower high was broken. So we just look for the leg down. This is the leg down. Oh my gosh, what happened, guys? What happened? Oh my gosh, it went back in, and then boom. You could have targeted these highs or these highs if you want. It doesn't really matter, because they still would have gotten hit. And what happened? They got hit by this amazing. You could have caught this amazing just by an order block. But you also need you also need to understand breaker structure and liquidity sweep. So if we just did this. Oh, you can't see I don't know why that's not working, but it's liquidity sweep, and you can see what liquidity sweep having right here. Maybe we could have spotted an order block. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, that is an order block, and that's it. If you like the video, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please share it with all your friends. Very simple and short video, but I hope you understand. Leave any comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.